We have a million things going on these days, so it's easy to forget things and to feel overwhelmed. Writing things down is the easiest way to stop worrying about forgetting things. Here are 6 ways to stop forgetting things with TIS. The first way is to write things down. There are a lot of instances throughout a day where we think of something that we want to do or remember. Writing it down is the best way for you to remember it. That is why every day, TIS automatically loads a new list for today, so you can quickly write down anything you want to remember. To-dos, reminders, names, recommendations. For example, call Joe. The simple yet intentional act of writing something down helps you remember it. If you want to remember a list of things, for example a to-do list or a grocery list, you can create a new list in the top right hand corner, give your list a name, we'll call this grocery list, and then write down the things you want to remember. The second way to stop forgetting things is with search. It's easy to forget details about things you want to remember. For example, the name of the person you wanted to call. With TIS, you can easily find things you want to remember by searching a keyword or phrase. Let's say you can't remember the person you needed to call. You can come to the top of the screen and search call, and you'll remember you need to call Joe. Let's say you're at the grocery store and you can't remember the items you wanted to pick up. You can again come to the top of the screen, search grocery, and you'll be able to remember the items you wanted to pick up from the store. Here is another example of why having a quick and organized place to write down anything right when you think of it is extremely beneficial and can help you feel calm and organized. The next way to stop forgetting things is with to-dos. We constantly think of things we need to do, and unless we write them down, we may forget them. In TIS, you can quickly create a to-do item for anything you need to remember to do. Let's go back to today using the Today button in the header, and you can create a to-do using the plus button at the bottom of the screen and then clicking on to-do, or you can use the keyboard shortcut by typing an open bracket followed by a close bracket followed by a space. This is the same functionality on the mobile app, which you can find by searching TIS on the App Store. Let's create a to-do to remember to go to the store. If you've already written something that you want to turn into a to-do, you can use the keyboard shortcut at the start of it. Let's turn Call Joe into a to-do item with the keyboard shortcut. And now Call Joe is a to-do item. You can see all of your to-do items across all of your days and lists under To-dos in the side menu, so you'll never forget anything you need to do. To-dos are a great way to plan projects and make checklists, so you'll never forget anything. The fourth way to stop forgetting things is with reminders. If there's something that you want to receive a notification for in the future so you'll remember it, you can use TIS to set a reminder. Reminders are great for birthdays, meetings, and events. Let's go back to today. You can create a reminder by using the reminder button at the bottom of the screen. You can type something new that you want to create a reminder for, or you can create a reminder for something that you've already written. Let's create a reminder to call Joe by selecting it by using the select button to the right of it, coming down to the reminder button in the footer, and setting a date and time that will receive the notification. We can use the suggested times to remember to call Joe at 5 o'clock. You can make it a repeating reminder for things such as birthdays, and you can also set an alert if you want to receive a notification for an event coming up. You'll receive a notification from TIS reminding you of the things you wrote down on your phone, iPad, and Apple Watch. Now it is easy to stop worrying about remembering things in the future by setting a reminder in TIS right when you think of it. The fifth way to stop forgetting things is with bookmarks. If you create an important list or write down a lot of important information on a day, you can have quick access to that information by bookmarking the list to the top of your side menu. Bookmarks are great for lists you use a lot or to keep track of your current projects. To bookmark a list, click on the bookmark to the left of any list's name. Let's bookmark our grocery list because we know we're going to be going to the store soon. We can again search for our grocery list, open it, and click on its bookmark so it'll appear at the top of our side menu. And when you're finished with it, you can again click on its bookmark to remove it. The sixth and last way to stop forgetting things is with stars. Some things you write down will be more important than others. For example, your address right after you move, or a TV show someone recommended you watch. For these important things, you can star them by clicking on their dash. Let's star toilet paper because it is very important. Go over, click on its dash, and you can see all of your stars in the side menu under stars. Here we can also see someone recommended I watch the General Magic documentary yesterday. And once you no longer need them, you can again click on its star to remove it. Now you can easily remember important things you write down. That was 6 ways to stop forgetting things with twos. Every day we think of or learn a lot of things that we want to remember, and writing them down is the best way to stay calm and organized. Twos is the quickest way to write down anything you want to remember. You can download Twos by searching Twos on the App Store and use Twos on your computer at stopforgettingthings.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a happy Tuesday.